Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 18th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is having a great day today. So we are up $27.08. That's 3.21% up. Post-market, we are up $1.67. If we look at this on the chart, so we are getting back with Tesla in the congestion zone that we were in at around January of this year, between 800 and 881. So we are just getting back into this congestion zone. In fact, we came back into this congestion zone sometimes last week. And now we are heading to this is not the all-time high, but it's very close to the all-time high. This was a significant top for Tesla at 881. So we are getting close to this top. Are we going to tap that tomorrow and Wednesday before the earnings call? All bets are off about this one. Nice green candle that we have here with a little bit of a wick on top here. So it means that the stock tried to go higher, but then was pushed down at some point during the day and never recovered that part. Last Friday, we also have a nice green candle that made us go outside of the first channel that Tesla has been in since May of this year. So the stock was going up and down between the two lines here, the green line here and the orange line here. So this was our first channel, and now we are entering the second channel. The stock is strong enough to go even higher. So of course we have this resistance here at 881. Is the stock going to cross that before Wednesday? And also if we cross that, then the top of the second channel is right here at around 980. So it's not impossible that Tesla could go as high as 980 this week. Everything's possible. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Today we are gapping up. So last Friday we closed right here. We closed at 843.03, and this morning we opened at 851. So we have a gap here. So we did not have any transactions here at those price here. This is a consequence of the strength that we see in Tesla stock. So nice green candle during the first hour, a little bit of a pullback, a healthy pullback on the second hour that is equivalent to a quarter of the first hour candle. Then the third hour, we broke the top of the first hour. Then the fourth hour was even higher. Fifth hour was also even higher. But then we have a wick at the top here on this candle here. So we have a little bit of a selling pressure here that we see. And we equalized basically and went sideways for the sixth hour and went a little bit down on the last hour. So on the hourly chart, we have a little bit of a resistance at 875.36. So what could be happening is that Tesla could be getting down to this support line here. So I drew these two intraday support. So this is the first support. So we have the first support here starting on October 8th. The stock has been going at one specific speed. So going up, down, up, down, up, and down. And now we are going at a faster speed. So going at a steeper rate. And this is super high, getting farther from the support. It's not impossible that we just do something like this. And then if the stock is strong enough, then we can try to break 875.36 and 881. That is also very close. Let's look at our indicators here on the hourly chart. So everything is off the chart. Everything is great. Let's look at the daily indicators. Stochastic is at 96, super, super high. We have RSI that is in the overbought position. So over 70 is overbought for RSI. It does not mean that we need to sell. If you are a member, you can go and look at the video I did last Sunday about RSI, and I explained about the overbought thing. And the MACD super high, crossed over bullish, and the MI is also super steep. Look at the MI here, how steep is this green line. So all in all, a great day for Tesla today. Are we going to cave under 881 on the daily chart? This is the big question that we are going to have an answer for Tuesday and Wednesday. And let's not forget about the earnings call that is happening this Wednesday. So this is going to be a very interesting day indeed. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel, and you can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.